So today we are going back to Siliguri, and there we'll give back these bikes. And this road which we are going to go now is little crazy. Toy train. So about the toy trains, you can take the two types. One, you can take steam engine toy train and diesel engine toy train. Steam engine toy train is 1500 per person, and diesel engine toy train is $1000 per person. So both will go to Goom, from Darjeeling to Goom, about 30-40 minutes ride, I think, and with a break of 15 minutes in between near Batasia loop. And so you have to book the tickets well in advance to ensure that the dates what you will be in Darjeeling, you get the tickets for that. And you have to book the tickets on IRCTC, and yeah, the different timings. Train is available at different timings. You can take that. And the steam engine is the oldest engine, engine from Britishers' time. And diesel engine, as per my knowledge, it's the newer version. Yeah, pretty cool. It will go like right next to the shops and all. If you see this track, how it's laid right next to the things, so you would get a idea of how close it would go even in the cities. And interesting part, there is no railway gates for this train even in the cities, and it crosses the road multiple times, and people adjust according to that, and and things work out. So yeah, cool, pretty cool. So that's about the toy train. We have almost reached Siliguri, and this is the track from Darjeeling. वो गाड़ी यहीं पे रहने थे, वो वाला गाड़ी। तो आप लोग सिलीगुड़ी जाएंगे ना? Careful. So we are back in Siliguri. We are sending these two KTMs to Bangalore through Gati. It costed around 7,000 per bike, and yeah, they'll pack everything nicely, and then from here they'll be shipped to Bangalore. And the other two bikes, Himalayans, what we have rented, costed us 1600 per day, so total 8 days. We have hired those bikes for 8 days. So one tricky part was they gave us a new bike here from West Bengal, Siliguri to Gangtok, and in Gangtok we had to change to Sikkim bikes. So, and the Sikkim bike, first bike was not that good, and then they changed it to a different bike, which was okay. So yeah, so that's what it is. So we are packing them nicely. So they'll pack them and send it. We're just leaving the bikes now here, and tomorrow we'll be back in Bangalore. We have flight in the morning. So that's it. That's the end of this amazing trip. We covered Sikkim, and yeah, very beautiful place. The roads were amazing ghat sections, steep, very steep, and a really good ride. So that's all in this series, and amazing Sikkim stories. So if you have not watched all the parts, please watch here. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe if you have not done. See you in the next one. Ciao.